Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Lincoln Electric Multi Process Welder. The Lincoln Electric Power MIG 210 is a compact, powerful multi-process welder. Looking at the important features, this welder unit can handle welding processes like MIG welding, stick welding, flux cord welding, and TIG welding. Although the machine can be used for a wide range of welding applications, it's not a difficult machine to use. The control panel is intuitive, and the color display makes it easy to understand what you're doing at any given time. The push and turn digital controls are also a breeze to use, especially for quick adjustments on the fly. The dual voltage inputs, 120 volts or 230 volts, suggest that you can plug it into any common power supply. In terms of power, the K3963-1 can handle up to 3/8 thick stainless steel and up to 3/16 aluminum. You can also do electrode welds at up to 5/30 seconds. It weighs around 40 pounds, so it feels lightweight when carried around. You can use this multi-process welder for both strong and smooth welds. Because of this, it's a good fit for quick repair work and also more intricate precision projects. Our second best multi-process welder is Miller 215 Multi-Process Welder. The Miller Multimatic 215 is a multi-process welder working at a 230A. This portable welder is capable to perform stick, MIG, and DC TIG welding. Its versatility and simplicity of use help you build your welding skills. It lets you easily switch the welding functions, according to your needs. The overload protection protects the body of the welder during abnormal power supply issues. Implementation of the advanced inverter technology makes this welder unit unique in the market. The weight of this Miller multi-process welder is only 38 pounds. So, it is lightweight and convenient to carry around. This versatile welder either runs on 120V or 240V input power. This device can weld up to 3/8 mild steel. Taking a look at the built-in display, it includes a standard color LCD screen and comes with Miller's AutoSet Elite. This AutoSet technology automatically sets MIG, stick, and TIG welding parameters. You just have to enter metal thickness and the diameter of the tungsten electrode or welding wire or. The LCD screen also enables the user to manually adjust weld settings according to the preferences. Its thermal overload protection technology shuts off the power source automatically if the duty cycle exceeds its limit or the airflow across the unit is blocked. Third choice in our list is Weldpro Multi-Process Welder. Weldpro's flagship 200 amp MIG welder that goes beyond MIG and flux core welding. The Model 200 is also capable of true lift TIG welding without foot pedal, as well as stick welding and aluminum welding with the optional spool gun. The IGT inverter technology provides high power in a light, compact unit, 30 pounds. This unit are capable of performing MIG, lift TIG and stick welding equally well at maximum 200 amp output. Dual digital display, easy to read and set amperage and wire speed for repeatable welds every time. VRD high temp and overload protection with indication. User adjustable inductance settings. To see unboxing, let's watch more.
What's up everybody, it's Luke from Weldpro. Today I am here with the awesome MIG 200 multi-process welder. Got it here behind me in the box. I want to go ahead and take this thing out of the box for you today and show you exactly what comes in it so when you order, you know what to expect. First thing you'll find in the top is your owner's manual. Keep this handy for reference as you're setting up the welder. The second thing you pull out is going to be the accessory and parts box. We'll go through this here in just a second. And in the bottom of your box, you'll find your MIG 200. These machines are absolutely beautiful. Very nice control surface on the front, tactile buttons and rotary knob, great enamel finish, and quality parts all the way around. Inside this machine, you've got an all-metal drive system. We'll talk a little more about the machine itself in part 2, the setup video, where we show you how to adjust the interface, set up wire, and attach everything to this machine. Let's break open this parts box and see exactly what's inside. The MIG200 is a dual voltage machine. It'll run on 220 volts or 110 volts AC. The MIG200 comes with a dual voltage adapter. Simply plug in the 220 volt plug from the machine into the adapter and it converts to 110 volts. In the box, you'll locate your ground clamp with the cable attached. This is an awesome ground clamp with a strong spring. You'll also find your stinger or your electrode holder. These are high quality electrode holders and work extremely well for a long time. Next, we find the gas hose. This will allow us to connect our flow meter to our machine. Speaking of flow meters, there is a very nice brass flow meter that comes with the MIG200. It's found in this white box. We'll go ahead and leave it in here for now so it's protected until we install it. Next thing to come out is the TIG torch. The MIG200 is a multi-process welder, therefore it's capable of running DC TIG. The TIG torch that comes with it has a hand-operated gas valve. Keep an eye out because we're going to have a separate video on setting this machine up to run TIG. You'll find a TIG parts kit located in this box. It contains parts like tungsten, collets, collet bodies, and gas cups. There's also a clear bag with contact tips, as well as a wrench to install them. You'll find some extra drive rolls along with a wing nut. We'll need this to set up the MIG gun, and I'll show you about that in part 2. Last but not least is the Ergo Plus MIG gun. This is an extremely nice MIG gun with a ball relief on the back. It makes it very comfortable to use. Also, the trigger is made for 2 fingers, so it doesn't cause fatigue. The parts are easy to disassemble and reassemble. Just overall a very nice MIG gun. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please take a minute and hit the subscribe button under this video. Weldpro is committed to releasing tutorials and how-to videos to better help you hone your craft. Thanks again. From all of us here at Weldpro, we can't wait to see what you build with your MIG200.
Number 4 in our side is LOTOS LTPDC2000D. This is a 3-in-1 multi-process or combo welder. It has a plasma cutter function and TIG and stick welding. It's a very reliable welder to have around the house and to use if you often work on steel, stainless steel, copper, and aluminum. This is a highly versatile unit that's capable of handling light-duty tasks as well as heavy-duty workloads, and at high-voltage settings no less. The LTPC2000D also features a DC inverter that allows for voltage operation at 110 volts/220 volts and 50 or 60 Hz frequency. The build quality is undeniable, as is its resistance to overheating. The arc plasma cutter can operate at 50 amps, whereas for TIG and stick, the LTPC2000D can put out up to 200 amps of current temporarily. The minimum output is 10 amps on the plasma cutter and 15 amps for both TIG and stick functions. It has double voltage function and powerful non-touch pilot arc welding function, which ensure this is making for one of the great consumer multi-process welders. Last in our top 5 best multi-process welder list is Forney Easy Weld 140MP Multi-Process Welder. The Forney Easy Weld 140MP multi-process machine utilizes 3 different processes: MIG/DC, TIG, and stick welding. It can weld up to 1/4 of an inch and uses up to 1/8 of an inch welding rod. This unit can use gas, or no gas based on the type of MIG wire selected. Create something new or repair something old with Forney's 140MP welder. The 3-in-1 nature of this machine makes it capable of DC TIG welding. To use this process, you will need to purchase the appropriate torch, regulator, hose, tungsten electrodes and gas separately. The Forney Easy Weld 140MP can easily run stick electrodes. A stinger and ground clamp are included with your machine for this process. Let's watch unboxing and learn more about it.
Hi, I'm Caitlin with Forney Industries. Here we have our Forney Easy Weld 140MP. It's capable of MIG, TIG, and stick welding. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This is a single-phase inverter multi-process welder. The input is 120 volts and the max output is 140 amps. This machine comes with a quick start guide, manual, and Forney contact info in case you have questions. It also comes with a 15 to 20 amp plug adapter, MIG gun, an extra 030 contact tip, stick electrode holder, ground cable, and clamp. The selector switch allows you to choose MIG, stick, or TIG welding. The left knob is for voltage and amps depending on what mode you're in. This machine is designed to hold 10 pounds of gas or gasless wire. The right knob is for the wire feed speed while in MIG or wire feed mode. If you want to use shielding gas for true MIG welding, you will also need to purchase a regulator and a gas line. We recommend item numbers 85363 and 85663 as they are not included with this machine. If you want to TIG weld, this is a lift arc TIG machine and the TIG torch is sold separately. For stick welding, you can use up to 1/8 inch electrode. That sums up the Forney Easy Weld 140 MP. This is the perfect machine to learn the basics of welding and get experience with different processes. It's ideal for do-it-yourselfers, maintenance and repair, hobbyists, and metal artists. Remember to wear the proper personal protective gear, non-flammable clothing like denim or cotton, safety glasses, a welding helmet, welding gloves, and FR jacket.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.